Hey, it's Mike Hayden from Intelliwolf, and today we're going to look at responsive column ordering in Elementor. So to set up, we're going to do a two-row layout. The first one is going to have text, and the second one is going to have an image. So let's set that up real quick, and then let's duplicate this row, make a lot more sense, and switch them over. So we have a layout like this, which is a pretty popular layout. You might do different widths or whatever, but the problem is that when you look at it on a mobile, you want them all underneath each other, but that doesn't work for me. Having the two images like that, what I want is for this image to be on top there. So it goes image text, but I still want to keep the desktop flowing like that. So the way that we do that, you can do it in desktop mode or whatever. Let's just show it this way. All right, so right click, zoom in, sorry, right click, and then edit section. So we're right clicking on this blue thing, edit section, advanced, then under responsive, you are looking for this reverse columns mobile. Right, so it does nothing on the desktop. Let's turn it off so we see what happens on mobile. So we've got it sitting like this, and we reverse it, and you notice that it now flows the way that we want. So image text, image text. So that's done on the section itself rather than on the individual columns. So we reverse the text on the mobile. You can do the same thing on tablet if they're going like that. So this is going to work regardless of whether it is stacked or not, stacked one on top of the other. So we do it like that and update, and that's how you get responsive column ordering, reordering in Elementor.